Good evening, everyone. Today I'm gonna guide you to that how you can set up your QuickBooks with our dot squares QuickBook connector. So let's get started. Just click on the 9 dots on the top left corner of your Salesforce org and just write DS. Then you're gonna find the DS QuickBooks Syncs button here. Click on it. Then it will redirect you to the page. And first you need to click on the QuickBook configuration, as you need to set up the configuration. Just put a client ID and client secret from your QuickBooks instance, then the redirect URL will automatically gonna pop up. And after that, all you need to do is just click on authorize with QuickBooks. Once it authorized, then all you need to do just click on the complete authorization. Now move to the second part, that how this connector will gonna work from Salesforce to QuickBooks. So here are the details that how you're gonna sync your account contacts with the QuickBooks and product order and so on. And you there is one more button, you can manually schedule if you want to. And apart from that, we run a in the backend we run a scheduler, so it works in every 30 minutes. So here are the features we provided recently. And now moving ahead, from if I'm talking about the bidirectional, then moving ahead you can sync your QuickBooks to Salesforce as well. So here are the details to sync it bidirectionally. And as I already told you, you can sync manually as well. Let's suppose you create a one order and you want to sync it right away. So all you need to do is just click on it, click on the sync now button. Now moving ahead, so you can check your existing records here. And the last part of all the features we dot square provided is you can use the chart of accounts with the parent child Salesforce to QuickBooks and chart of accounts vice versa. So here are a basic intro of our QuickBooks connector. Thanks. Have a nice day, guys.